Hello, rising parents. Are you searching for fun and engaging activities that'll keep your kids entertained and active? Look no further. Today we're diving into the world of floor activities for kids. These activities are more than just playtime. They enhance your child's physical development, spark their creativity, and bolster their social skills. Whether it's a rainy day or just a regular afternoon, these floor activities can turn any day into an exciting adventure. So brace yourself for a fun-filled journey of learning and play. Our first activity is the alphabet hop, a fun way for your child to learn and burn off some energy at the same time. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, grab some paper and a marker. Write down each letter of the alphabet on separate pieces of paper. You can make this more engaging by using different colors for each letter. Once you've got all your letters, it's time to arrange them on the floor. Spread them out in a random order to make the game more challenging. Now let the fun begin. Encourage your child to hop from one letter to another. As they land on each letter, they should say it aloud. This activity is a fantastic way to combine physical exercise and learning. It helps to improve your child's physical coordination and gets them familiar with the alphabet. Not only does this game improve physical coordination, but it also enhances your child's literacy skills. Moving on, let's explore the calming world of yoga for kids. Yoga is not just for adults. It's a fantastic activity that kids can enjoy too, right in the comfort of their living room. Let's start with some simple yoga poses that are both fun and beneficial for children. The tree pose, for instance, is a great balance exercise that also cultivates focus. Then we have the downward dog, a playful pose that stretches the entire body while strengthening the arms and legs. And let's not forget the warrior pose, an empowering stance that boosts confidence and builds strength. But why yoga for kids, you may wonder? Well, apart from promoting physical flexibility, yoga helps children improve their concentration, instill a sense of calm, and teach them how to relax. It's a beautiful way to introduce them to mindfulness at an early age. Remember, the goal isn't to perfect the poses, but to have fun and feel good. Last but not least, let's dive into the creative world of floor puzzles. This engaging activity is more than just a game, it's an adventure of discovery and learning, right on your living room floor. Here's how it works. You'll need large puzzle pieces, big enough for your little ones to handle with ease. Scatter these pieces across the floor, and watch as your child's curiosity takes over. They'll be drawn to the challenge, eager to fit the pieces together. As they engage with the puzzle, they're not just playing, they're learning. Each piece they connect enhances their problem-solving skills. The act of grasping and fitting puzzle pieces together improves their hand-eye coordination. And as they figure out where each piece belongs, they're developing their spatial awareness. But the real magic happens when they see the picture come together. It's a moment of accomplishment, a boost to their self-confidence. As they piece together the puzzle, they're also piecing together important skills for their development. And there you have it, 3 fantastic floor activities that your kids will love. From hopping through the alphabet, to striking a yoga pose and solving floor puzzles, these activities not only keep your little ones entertained, but also help in their cognitive and physical development. The best part? You can join in, strengthening your bond with them. So go ahead, roll up those sleeves and get down on the floor. Don't forget to check out our other helpful parenting videos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy playing!